Digicam versus Lightroom. Which photo management software is better? I'm going to tell you the difference between Digicam and Lightroom, and which one is better for managing your photos. Digicam is a free, open source photo manager made for photographers who want control. It offers advanced tagging, face recognition, raw support, and even batch editing. It's powerful, but the UI feels dated, and it may take time to set up the way you like. Lightroom, on the other hand, is polished, cloud integrated, and beginner friendly. It's perfect for organizing, editing, and syncing across devices. The editing tools are industry standard, but you'll need a monthly subscription. So here's the quick take. If you want a free, offline tool with pro level features, go for Digicam. If you want a streamlined, modern workflow and can pay, Lightroom is worth it.